Welcome to today's painting lesson from Acrylic Arts Academy. In this tutorial, we're creating Bokeh Festive Lights, a cozy, holiday-inspired acrylic painting that focuses on blending, soft light effects, and expressive mark making. Before we begin, please pause the video and gather your supplies. Everything you'll need is listed in the description below. Once you're ready, let's get started. Begin by squeezing out a few drops of lamp black, ultramarine blue, and purple directly onto your canvas in the pattern shown. Using a slightly damp flat brush, start spreading and blending the colors horizontally, moving from the darkest tones into the lighter ones. A smooth, blended background will help the bokeh lights stand out beautifully. Work gently and take your time here. If needed, add a few gentle crisscross strokes to soften the transitions. Next, load a fan brush with pink paint. Using a light rotating motion, gently tap and sweep the tips of the brush across the canvas to create soft, scattered shapes. Repeat this same technique using turquoise, allowing some areas to overlap while others remain distinct. Using the same fan brush, softly blend portions of these colors together so some areas feel smooth and glowing while others remain crisp for contrast and depth. Now switch to a small round brush and load it with a small amount of yellow ochre. Lightly paint a circular shape in the upper portion of the canvas. This will become one of our glowing bokeh lights. Clean your brush and repeat this step using orange, placing a slightly smaller circle nearby. Continue adding individual circles using portrait tone, varying their size and placement to create visual interest. As you continue, add more bokeh-style circles using titanium white, burnt umber, orange, portrait tone, and yellow ochre. Keep your touch light and allow the circles to vary in opacity to suggest distance and glow. Work gently and take your time here. In the lower corner of the canvas, paint another grouping of bokeh lights using burnt umber, portrait tone, white, and orange. These shapes can feel softer and more subtle than the upper lights. Allow your circles to appear randomly rather than in strict patterns, and enjoy the process as the lights come to life. Starting near the lower middle area, paint a more solid string of bokeh lights using yellow ochre, orange, white, pink, and portrait tone. These circles can be larger and slightly more opaque, helping guide the viewer's eye through the painting. Remember, this painting works best when approached freely. Continue by adding 2 more sets of bokeh-style lights in the upper left corner and along the lower portion of the canvas, following the same technique. Take a moment to step back, adjust any areas that need more glow or softness, and add final highlights where needed. When your painting feels balanced and complete, set it aside to dry. If you enjoyed painting with us today, please like this video and subscribe to Acrylic Arts Academy for more relaxing, beginner-friendly tutorials. We also want to say a heartfelt thank you to our Acrylic Arts Academy supporter members. Your support helps us keep these tutorials free and accessible for everyone. If you'd like to become a channel member, you can tap the Join button below this video to unlock fun perks, and you'll be helping us continue creating free painting lessons for this community. And if you're ready to continue learning with us beyond today's tutorial, you're always welcome to explore our free challenges and our full Paint Your Own Happiness program at acrylicartsacademy.com. Thank you so much for painting with us. We can't wait to see what you create next.